Welcome back. My name is Jeff Macy, Chief Operating Officer of the Northwest R1 School District.
Hi, I'm Michelle Adams, Benefits Specialist.
Today we are going to walk you through the open enrollment process.
So what's new? Great news! There are no plan design changes or rate increases. The NISC and Human Resources has officially moved to the Northwest Administrative Center, located at Valley Middle School campus. The new address is 4290 Gravois Road, House Springs, Missouri. CTA, our Community Teacher Association, dues have increased this year. For certified members is a one-time payroll deduction of $15, and associate members there is a one-time payroll deduction of $10. Benefits are elected through the SmartBen website. All your existing credentials to log on have remained intact. Below are the directions to get to the SmartBen application. What you will see is your user ID, which will be NWR, and your employee ID number. Example would be NWR 10750. This is not the same as your school ID number. Your password will be your birth date with no dashes or spaces. The example provided you on the slide is an example of what your birthday would be if it was January 1st, 2000. All your building administrative assistants will have a list with all your login information. The district health plan will see no rate increase for the plan effective October 1st, 2017. There are still 3 medical plans to choose from, and there are no plan changes. Open enrollment is your opportunity to make changes to your current benefit selections. Any changes that you make will be effective October 1st and will remain in effect until September 30th, 2018. Please review the health insurance grid. This grid shows all 3 medical plans with the deductible and out-of-pocket maximums. Below are some plan highlights for the high deductible plan. You have 3 options when choosing the high deductible plan: with stipend, with HSA only, and with HSA and credits. Let's first talk about the high deductible plan with stipend. This option will take the 103 credit and add it to your paycheck. Your retirement and payroll taxes will be withheld from the stipend. The stipend will be issued as part of your regular payroll cycle. If you elect the high deductible plan with HSA only, you will need to set up a health savings account, also known as an HSA, at a bank of your choice. This account must be set up and a health savings account direct deposit authorization form be completed. This form must be returned to the central office no later than September 15th, 2017. If you elect the high deductible plan with HSA and credits, you are electing to use the credit to pay for dental and vision premiums, with any remaining money to be deposited into your HSA. If you elect the high deductible plan, you can have deducted from your paycheck an additional amount over the board paid amount. For 2017, that amount for an individual is $3,500 or family $6,750. If you elect the high deductible plan children or family plan, the district will make a one-time contribution of $500 into your HSA. Please remember that you cannot have an HSA if you are covered by other health insurance, including Medicare Part A. There are no changes in benefits or rates for dental and vision insurance. Aetna will continue to be our dental insurance provider, and Vision Benefits of America, also known as VBA, will remain our vision provider. For additional information, a summary of benefits can be found on SmartBen. Again this year, you will be able to put money into a flexible spending account. The medical reimbursement limit for 2017 is $2,600 and the dependent care limit is $5,000. You can use this account and have the money deducted from your paycheck as a pre-tax and lower your taxable income. Remember, this is a use it or lose it account and there is no carryover. If you choose any pre-tax elections, you will be making a full year commitment to the pre-tax premiums. Only qualifying events will allow you to drop this insurance coverage. Select pre-tax premium with each benefit that you select. All must be selected the same. Dearborn National will continue to be our life and disability provider. These benefits include board-paid life, optional life for employee, spouse, and children, long-term disability, and short-term disability. There will be no increase in rates. The district will continue to pay 1 times your salary plus $10,000 for life insurance for a full-time employee. Full-time employees also have the option to elect additional coverage for themselves, their children, and their spouse. Long-term disability will continue to be a board-paid benefit. Below, you will see some details outlining the long-term disability. Short-term disability is a deduction that can be elected and is employee paid. Additional details for all of your life benefits can be found on SmartBen. Below, you will see additional opportunities available in SmartBen. Again, we would like to reach out to you to consider participating in the Northwest Way program. This is a charitable donation that goes directly back to our students and community and will be listed on your W-2. Also on SmartBen is MSTA, CTA, Most 529 College Savings Plan, MNEA. MNEA has elected not to use SmartBen. However, you will be receiving information from Dr. Keith Matlock. MSAPAC, also known as the Missouri Social Alliance Political Action Committee. Forms. On forms, by entering your initials on SmartBen, you're confirming that you have reviewed all the documents that have been listed. And last, 403B and 457. One America will continue to be the district provider for both. We will have representatives in each of your buildings to answer questions. In order to be paper-free and to streamline our processes, all of the following forms can be found on Talent Ed: direct deposit, change of address, W-4, bereavement, jury duty, FMLA paperwork, professional development activity forms, track advancement, and tuition reimbursement. Changes in certification. If you are support staff and gain a teacher's certificate with DESE, you must notify Human Resources immediately. This changes the retirement system you contribute to even if you continue to be in a support staff position. Purchasing service. If you were on unpaid sick leave, maternity leave, or workers' compensation leave in the current or previous 2 school years, you can purchase service with PSRS or peers. You must complete the purchase by June 30th of the 2nd school year following the year the leave occurred. If you have any questions, please contact Dawn Douglas at Central Office. Track advancement and tuition reimbursement. When applying for track advancement and tuition reimbursement, there are 3 important steps. Step 1. All courses must be approved by your direct supervisor and then sent to the Director of Human Resources. All track advancement forms are due by March 31st, and official transcripts are due September 1st. Tuition reimbursement, grade report, and itemized proof of payment are due by May 31st. All this information can be found on Talent Ed. If you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to call Lisa Barnhart in Human Resources. Everyone must complete enrollment by Thursday, August 17th. Instructions for SmartBen were emailed to your district email account. The next couple of slides are a visual reminder of what the SmartBen system looks like. When you log into SmartBen, you must click on all of the red lights. Once selected, choose your option and press Continue. Once the benefit is completed, the light will turn green and it will now be listed under the Completed Benefits section. Once all the lights are green, click on Elect and Continue. Keep in mind, when you get to this next screen, you are not finished. On the Enrollment Verification Task screen, you will need to click the Continue button to move on to the next step. Once you make it to this screen, all your benefits will be listed without the green lights, including your beneficiary information. Please review your elections again, and if everything is correct, put your initials under Agreement, and click the Continue button. You have now reached the final screen. At this point in time, your screen should say, "Congratulations! You have now completed your 2017-2018 benefit elections." Once again, we would like to thank everyone for their patience with the podcast. We understand there is a lot of information in this presentation, and there are still going to be questions. To answer your questions, a representative from Central Office will be at your building. Please see the table below for dates and times. If you still have questions, you can always call or email one of us. Our numbers are listed below. Hope everyone has a great school year.